The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of Management, Humanities, Social Sciences and Science and Technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
The State Co-ordination Coal Miners, Dealers and Transporters Association Forum has urged upon the Meghalaya government to amend the standard operating procedure issued on the 5th of March 2021. At a press conference on the 30th of July 2024, Forum member Regional Shilla expressed concerns that local tribals in the state typically do not own the 100 hectares of land required to apply for a prospecting license or mining lease. He proposed reducing the land ownership requirement to 5 hectares to make it easier for local tribals to engage in coal mining under the Mining and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957. Shilla emphasized that while many young people are ready for scientific mining of coal, the current land criteria favor the wealthy and exclude the broader local community for mining opportunities.
Scientific coal mining in the state of Meghalaya, but kibun ki research ilat kriti wat namta ban wat kriti ban pentri kamno ila scientific coal mining in the state of Meghalaya. Kumju yang itu ki pajbaro ki badan jaka kabaho ka 4 hectares kumba la aspect daga sarkar jilla Kajaka namta man apply yaga prospecting license dan mining lease kamla banduna si inso yaga 4 hectares tegane galate kalakum yo pajba ya borok kowe ke jela Meghalaya juni kiba in kama japo daga kam kiba kwa ban mi sakma ban apply ke prospecting license dan mining lease tega agalian jonga lembaga jingkersan juga forum ngala persyang manfa kajing thok so honorable chief minister State Co-ordination honorable minister in charge of mining and geology department haka atari benai beniu ajar besar kenega memorandum of bill pangapa so honorable chief minister kelang chin dengan itu ane ni request ke government Kabanko, ini request ban Benko, ya ke 4 hektar, bat ban review ya ke SOP, ban wat kita di lat linti lembaga legal expert, lembaga environmental expert, ban dunai ya ke area ke 4 hektar. Tiga baar ni dawan ke sarkar ba, lereka sarkar kamla ban dunai ke 4 hektar, tiga sarkar ke ban research dan mereka sarkar kadai ban set jadi expert committee yang jangan dai ban let research Nagaland Assam kumno ki putra riyong lembaga artikel laispa ni boy nomor 2 kami ada jalan Nagaland lembaga artikel laispa ni boy ki putra mining but kene ke mining to ki putra apa jalan Nagaland Kiputra Hopok Kachaka Kaba hectares within 2 hectares of land. They are doing mining operation in the state of Nagaland. And even in Assam, in some parts like Dimasa and in Tinsukia, in Margreta, they even continue mining, small scale mining they are practicing. like similar to the state of Meghalaya. So this mining in the state of Nagaland and Assam, they are prescribed as legally mining, but in our state Meghalaya, coal is illegal since 10 years, since 2014 after the ban of the NGT. So Sarkar Jilla Kamshim Kia, Jingday Ganega, Jingpa, the forum, Jingday Banyakan, Yanaka Mat issue. Nangtakadaw Nalian to forum, Ngalaya Kando, but members, the media executive member, but President, Chairman Baranba, Upa Soni Kriam, Banya discuss the issue. Nagadaw baka Sarkar kaklan Shimkia, Yaganega issue, Yaganega Mat, Yaganega Jinga, Jong Paipa, a forum kala Shimmi Karai, Tagabakat Sanipa, Mila Shimmi Karai, Bangin Yat Chapra, but in Pelong Jingalang Paipa, Southwest Kasi District, Shatang, Namuston, Shakitaka, Doyong, Shakaro Hills, but Naisin Tiangila, that's the Hamil Naiba, Debina, that Jingalang.